Carabiner Communications has added a new service to boost your marketing and sales results. Along with our outstanding branding, messaging, PR, and lead generation capabilities, we now offer full-service video strategy and production.
We knew that we needed to go and talk to our physicians.
We understand the importance of reaching prospects and converting leads to customers. One of the most essential, effective, and engaging ways to make an impact with your audience is through video. Like everything we do, we start with strategy. We create a roadmap for what type of videos you need and what platforms are best to deliver the results you want. Brand stories.
Fortunately, I've been very healthy, but I found that I was running out of energy when I just worked a little.
Testimonials.
My insight coming out.
Case studies. Product launches. Explainer videos and promos. From creative concept through the final beat of music, our work is as diverse as our client list with a singular focus.
And we would love for you to discover the difference.
Carabiner helps companies drive revenue and push their business forward. And now, that's as easy as pushing the play button. Contact us to learn more about sharing your stories through video.